Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. If you are facing Gcash Access Temporarily Blocked or Gcash detected suspicious changes, reinstall your Gcash app error, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. First of all, this issue usually happens because of security reasons. Gcash blocks access if it detects unusual activities on your phone. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Go to the phone settings. Now scroll down, click on accessibility, and if any third party app like screen recorder, auto clicker or any unknown services is enabled, turn it off. Step 2. Go back to the settings app and open developer options. If developer options is on, turn it off immediately. Step 3. Uninstall any cloned apps or modified apps from your device. Step 4. Now, again open the settings app, click on apps option, click on Gcash app. Now click on storage and cache, tap on clear cache and clear storage, click on delete. Now go back to the previous page, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to the home page. Step 5. Uninstall the Gcash app completely, restart your phone, then reinstall the official Gcash app from the Play Store. Step 6. Make sure your phone software is updated to the latest version, and after completing all the steps, open Gcash again and log in. Your problem should be fixed. If still not fixed, contact Gcash customer support from the official website. And that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.